Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 on the IRS website. This form is crucial for reporting various types of income, like payments to independent contractors or rental income. Using the official IRS platform ensures accuracy and security for your tax obligations. We will walk through the simple steps to complete this process efficiently, saving you time and potential errors. Let's get started with understanding the form's purpose. Before you begin filing, it is essential to have all your information organized. This includes the full legal name and complete address for each recipient. You will also need their Social Security number or employer identification number. Accurately record the total amount paid to them during the tax period. Finally, ensure you have details of any taxes already withheld, as this is vital for correct reporting. Once your information is ready, navigate to the official IRS website. Look for the section dedicated to businesses or information returns. You will then select the specific Form 1099 type you need, such as 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation. Carefully enter all the prepared data into the corresponding online fields, double-checking each entry for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. The final and most critical step is to meticulously review all the information you have entered. Verify that recipient names, addresses, and identification numbers are correct. Double-check all payment amounts and any tax withholdings to prevent errors. Once you are confident everything is accurate, proceed to electronically submit your Form 1099. You will receive a confirmation, completing your filing process efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.